I am Sarthak Khamitkar, second year M.Pharm Pharmaceutics plus MBA Pharmaceutical Technology and Healthcare Management. And my title for Power BI dashboard presentation is Retail Supply Chain Sales Dashboard in Power BI. In this video, I will walk you through how I designed and developed this interactive dashboard, what insights it provides, and how businesses can use it to make it better data-driven decisions. The dataset I used contains sales, profit, and order details for a retail supply chain covering product categories, regions, customers, and timelines. My goal was to convert raw Excel data into visual, meaningful story that highlights overall performance and helps in strategic decision making. I have divided my Power BI dashboard into three main sections. The top sections consist of summary matrices, the middle sections trends and category performances, and the bottom sections detailed analysis and exploration. Each section is fully interactive and connected through filters and slicers, so users can explore data dynamically. Let's start from the top. Here, I have displayed 4 key performance indicators that summarize the business health. That is, first one is total sales. As we can see, the total sales is 2.3 million rupees, whereas total profit is 286.4k rupees. Profit margin has been grown to 12.47%, and the total orders that they have received is 5009. These KPIs immediately give the management a high-level view of how the company is performing. I used card visuals here and formatted them with bright backgrounds and large fonts so that the numbers are easily noticeable. This section answers the question, how are we doing overall, before dividing into more details. Next, let's move to the middle section, which focuses on the sales and profit trends over time. The monthly sales trend on the left uses a line chart. It shows how total sales fluctuate across months. By analyzing this, we can identify seasonal peaks. For example, higher sales during certain months or a dip during others. As we can see, I have also added a small thing wherein we can change the amount and we can see that which amount is consisting what. Now let's speak about sales versus profit trend, which I have showed in the form of combo chart, that is combining bars for sales, that is in rupees, and a line for total profit. This visualization helps in understanding whether high sales months also lead to higher profits, which isn't always the case. For example, you might notice that in some months sales are high but profit margins are lower, possibly due to discounts or increased costs. Now let's move into the geographical visualization. This map shows total sales, total profit, and profit margin by state within the United States of America. As we can see, there are formation of these bubbles which shows the state, that is California. Total sales of this state is 4,57,687.6315 rupees. Total profit is 76,381.39 rupees, and profit margin is 16.69%. This map help us quickly identify regional strengths and weaknesses. For example, if the eastern region has larger blue circles, it means that the area is contributing the most to overall sales. Similarly, smaller or lighter bubbles indicate underperforming areas where business strategies may need to be improved. Now let's get on to the tree map visualization to show total sales by category and subcategory. Here, larger tiles represent higher sales contribution. For example, technology, that is phones, machines, accessories. In furniture, they are the chairs, tables, whereas in office supplies, the maximum point is storage, binders that we use. We can instantly see that technology and furniture dominate the sales shares, while office supplies contribute moderately. Within each category, subcategories like phones, chairs, and tables stand out as the top selling items. This tree map gives a visual representation of where the money is coming from, helping management decide which product segments to focus on or promote further for betterment of the company. Now, let's go to the matrix table that compares the total sales, total profit, and profit margin across different regions and product categories. So, as we click on the central region, it gets distributed to the various places which belong to central region with their product categories like furniture, office supplies, and technology, as well as the total sales into the particular region. This makes it extremely easy to detect trends. For instance, if the central region is winning highest profit, that means the central region gives a lot of quality for any company. Below this, I have created a detailed product level table listing product name, sales, profit, customer name, and the region where it gets belong. You can also see I have added small slices of date, subcategory, and segments. Like for example, when you select any segment, like for example, I am now clicking on consumer. So I will be able to see only the part of consumers, like the sum of sales for consumers, sum of profit, the customer names, and the region where the sales are being listed. You can also select on the basis of start date, like for example, I have to consider the start date is from 23rd of March 2015. Then I will be able to see only to the products and their sales from 23rd March 2015. This makes our work easier to understand how and what to manage for any company. For example, selecting technology updates all visuals instantly to show only that category's performance. So this is my Power BI dashboard, where I have ensured that each visual answers a specific business question. For example, what are the total numbers? That is the KPIs. When are we performing best? The monthly trends. Where are we performing best? The map. Which product perform best? The tree map. As well as why and where are we losing profit? This whole matrix displays that thing. To conclude, this Power BI dashboard completes a 360-degree view of retail performance from overall KPIs to detailed product level insights. It helps management quickly understand key drivers, spot low performing areas, and make decisions backed by data, whether it's pricing, regional strategy, and inventory planning. Thank you for watching. If you found this walkthrough informative, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave your feedback in the comments. This is Sarthak Khamitkar signing off. See you in the next one.